Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item you see today, add it to your shopping cart right now. Check out and continue back to shopping. And this is what they have to offer, coming from Nooie. So definitely check these guys out. Get this shipped to you really fast. And we got here. What do we got here? Got a box. Life with style and ease. Looks like light. Oh, sweet. 4 LED light bulbs. 2.4 app control. Voice control, energy, 16 colors. Whoa. That's what I like right here. We're definitely going to set it up. Probably in my bathroom. Hopefully it's easy one to set up. And we'll show you how to do it. And you're going to need to download the app. So we got my backup phone right here, iPhone, and I'm using the Galaxy or the Note 10 Plus to record. So they got it for the Android or the App Store. You guys can download the app. Simple to do. Takes a few seconds. I'll show you. But here we go. But yeah, hopefully you guys are staying home, staying safe, and happy holidays to everybody. If you guys are celebrating today, it'll be all over sooner. We'll make it through this crazy times. Yep, good old Nooie. So definitely check them out and see what these light bulbs look like. So now I can have these guys. Whoa, these are nice ones. These are fancy dancy ones. Alright. So I'm going to have to probably install the app first. And then plug it in. Be going like this for me because I got them in my bathroom mirror. I'm going to use 3 of them. But these are nice. Cost efficiency. Long lasting bulbs. Let's see, I'm going to pull up my phone. Pull up the app store. If it lets me. I can't use the gloves, dang. Sensitive screens. But let's see. Go to the App Store. If I can find it. I think it's on Nooie Home. Because they got, yeah, these are the Nooie Aurora 800 brightness. Whoa, 800 luminance. See, $1.20 per year. That's really good savings you guys do. So if you buy a couple of these throughout your house, you save some money. I gotta double check. I think it's Nooie Home because they got the Nooie Cam app also. And I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. Yep, Nooie Home app. That's all you gotta look up. But in the manual, they got them down there to show you guys. Nooie. Good stuff though. The cameras are really nice too. If you guys need some home protection, home security for your office or your home. Nooie. Nooie Home. Okay, it's gonna be right there on the iPhone in your app store. Just hit it, get it. You hear the ding. Oops. Volume was down, that's why I know there was no ding. But it's really easy to enter your email, your Wi-Fi, and it takes a few seconds to set up. But I already got an account logged in from my other videos I did. So it's gonna ask you your location, password, and stuff like that. It takes a few seconds to fill out, so it's pretty smooth. 79. Give me 1 second, guys. thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna get this rolling in a second. There we go. See? And then, oops, open. You can do the app settings. That's going to be the legal history and all that good stuff. But, oops. I think it's a sensitive phone today. See, so we're going to go with light. It's going to go up here. Add a device. Manage home. So we're going to do add a device. You're going to find it right there. Then once they are flashing blue, that's good. Hit that. So we're going to do some YouTube magic. Teleport downstairs and have some fun with these lights. I'll be right back. Oh, almost forgot to show you guys about the Nooie app. Really cool, easy to set up with the groups. Might as well add that in because I totally forgot. Nooie home. So you go, all you gotta do is go up here, plus sign. Then you can add a device, create a group. See, you could get the plugs, the Nooie plugs they got, but we got the light. All you gotta do is select the ones you want. I already did my group. That's a bathroom group, so all you gotta do is select 3 of them and add it. And then, give me 1 second, show you guys how it's done. There you go. There's my bathroom. I can turn it off and on. The only thing you can't do is change the scenes from the group. You're gonna have to change them each individual, I do believe, because I couldn't figure out how to do that part. But really simply, from here you could call it bathroom. That's where my lights are, and you can turn it off and on. And then if you want to just do it like that, it'll pop up themes. So really cool. Check them out. Nooie smart lights, I guess that's what you call them for your bathroom. Smart LED bulbs. So alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good one. Alright, YouTubers, I got this in motion and it's connecting right now. There we go. We got the app running. There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Then it's gonna ask you to share your device and stuff like that. Check. Oh, sweet. Yep, that one works. Gotta turn it on. Bada boom. This is nice. You open it up, that's how you change the colors. Turn it off. Oh yeah. See, there's some colors right there. Oh, here we go. And it'll lay out like this. This is smooth. Great app, easy to use. Check them out, YouTubers. This comes from Nooie. You could group your lights together. So if you have like upstairs and so on, your bathroom, your bedroom, you could group them all together and tell Alexa, hey Alexa, turn on bathroom lights, and it'll turn it on. I still got a few before I set that all up, but right now works perfect, easy to set up. Oh, you can change the themes too on that one. Then you can switch it back. Cheerful. This is number 2. I'm gonna go to number 3 really quick. Themes, cheerful. So They're all on cheerful settings, each one. So like I said, all I gotta do now is group all these 3 lights together, or 4, it depends on what you have. And this is how it looks. Really nice. Here's pretty bright. You can always adjust the brightness, make it dimmer. Great for your kids' room, so you can shut off the lights when they're trying to go to bed if they forgot to turn it off. Especially if you guys forgot to turn it off, do it from your app, anywhere you're at. Boom. And there you go. So definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, easy to install, great light, sweet features on the app. We could do, there's that one, cheerful, active, calm. So really nice. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe, have a great holiday, and see you guys soon.